There is a dead fish. All the flies are over there, and it's pretty hot here. There were like so many people before, and everybody left now. I guess it's just super hot for them. So super hot. Manatee went that direction, and don't see now. Wow, there's a small fish over there, but it's hard to catch on camera. All left is the pelicans, and they love to dive. It's not a real dive maybe, but like they are hunting a fish. They dive first and then they try to catch fish. All about diving now. They does a great job. Alright guys, I'm gonna come next time, but right now I have to go somewhere else, so I'm gonna close the topic. I hope you guys enjoy, especially these beautiful pelicans are diving really really good. Look at them. I don't want to even leave, but but I have to go somewhere. So I'll catch you later and enjoy my video, and let me know if you guys want me to show you something else. Just give me a content and I'm gonna try my best. For now, I'm gonna close. You guys have a great night, and see you next time. Bye bye.